Wait to the camera. Wait to the camera. Wait.
Where do you want to finish it? You'll describe when
Yeah, okay.
Right, so I'm going to have to measure 18 or back and out.
Yeah.
It's going to go off the wall. Yeah, so it's 28 up.
Everything.
Christ! Now I know why I don't have a Paslow. They're extremely loud. Wouldn't be messing about with the door.
It stinks.
Wouldn't be messing about with the door one, mate.
Just need this ply to do the top of one of the cabinets. We just ran out.
Hiya people! Right, so I just had to nip down to the farm just then to cut some plywood because we didn't have enough ply to finish off the cabinets. I didn't order enough, sadly. So today is the final day. I've got to put the shelves up and whatnot. Just because I am working in someone's house, I don't really want to be speaking as much. The location of the job isn't ideal. The road it's like one car width. It's very tight, so it's not exactly ideal for any cutting and whatnot and having tools around. So I just want to get the job out of the way and done. However, I am going to speak about what I meant by the last video I was doing. So I think that's what I said in the last video was, don't think forwards, think backwards, something along those lines. And what I meant was, don't think backwards like you're going insane or whatever. Especially in joinery, well, especially in the trade, especially when you're building things, it's always best to picture the end product first, and then once you've got an idea in mind of what the customer wants, what I tend to do is think backwards from the finished product in my mind and take it apart piece by piece, and that usually helps me identify what materials I need, how much I need, and how to finish the actual piece. Oh, I had to get some lunch. So the job where we're actually working, we're working in Rottenstall again. So it's where we built the tree house. It's roughly, it's just a little bit further away from the tree house. It's literally as you come off the dual carriageway, you go around the roundabout and you're pretty much at the house. And it's a bunch of terraced houses. There it is. Anyway, I'm going to shut up now because I need to get the let the battery charge, because the battery on that camera is absolutely diabolical. So I'll see you at the job.